Take a ride in the 2017 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, power brakes, splash guards. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, child safety locks, rear floor mats, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.